Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jordy, if you don't know me. And today I just wanted to put tattoos on my face. I wanted to do a makeup that would look really good, really close in photos so that I could show off Freck because I'm obsessed with this product. I love it so much. It looks so legit. It's the best freckle, well, it's the only freckle product that I've ever tried, and I just really love it. So this look is pretty much just for the freckle product. I also used a lot of Milk makeup because I've been really obsessed with Milk makeup. I love what they're doing. Not sponsored by either brands, but I do have a code, itslikelymakeup, for the Freck product, which saves you 10%, and also I get a commission. So thank you guys if you buy it. Before I start, I just want to brag about something. I washed my brushes. I know, I'm an angel. These are my brushes that I did in collaboration with Fearless Cosmetics. If you need new makeup brushes and you want them to be pink, rose gold, fluffy brushes for angels, the links are below. Wait, one more thing. Can we just take a moment to appreciate my new nails from Beautiful Kate? I know, they're incredible. All right. Let's do it. My under eye circles are horrible. I'm actually sleeping really well. I don't know what that's about. For primer, I'm going to use the Luminous Blur Stick from Milk because I want to be really luminous. And I find that this works best if you slap it all over your face and then hop in and warm it up, kind of press it in and spread it around. Smells really good. I'm gonna stick with Milk makeup for this tutorial. This is the Blur Matte Foundation in Golden Light. I love the design of this little tube. It's so easy to put this on your face without getting a ton of product. There's no pump. Squish it on. For this look, I just want to look like I've got skin. I just want to look like I've got skin. What am I talking about? I want my skin to look like skin. Of course, using the Pro 4F. I'm going to skip concealer, so I'm going to bring this up under my eyes and over my eyelids. I think this is very appropriately named because it really does blur. Like when you over Facetune and smooth out your whole face, but with makeup. Next, using the Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer in the shade Baked. Just gonna add a little color to my cheeks and do a little bit of sculpting. And I'm still just using the Pro 4F to buff this into my foundation. So much for a clean brush. I'm not sure what this lump is. Maybe it's a scar. So it's not really a lump, more like a dent, a forehead dent. Just super quickly, I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my nose, to kind of make it less flat. This isn't a really super sculpted look. And buff it out with the Pro 8E, which is an eyeshadow brush, but it's excellent for nose contouring. For eyebrows, I'm going to use this new Korean Yes Style product from the cruelty-free section of the website. This is a Natural Auto Eyebrow Pencil by Eclipse brand in the shade Gray Brown. I love the little teardrop shape. And I'm just going to draw in little eyebrow hairs. Ooh, I love this formula. It's really easy to use. I love the tip. But this is not gray brown. This is more of a warm tone brown. It's really precise. Just want messy, fluffy, natural brows. Give it a little comb through at the other end. I don't think that eyebrow pencils without a comb should even exist. I'm gonna go a little bit darker on the end since there isn't really a whole lot of natural hair. So I'm gonna fake it a little bit better. I'm gonna go in with my Ico Tinted Brow Gel, which I think is almost gone. You know the drill. Get them real fluffy. Going back to the skin, I've got this McQueen New York Cushion Tint Lip and Cheek stuff. It's pink. I'm gonna give this a try. Oh my god, I wish you guys could smell this. Wow. Really pretty color. Just want to look flushed. It smells so good. It looks intimidating when it first goes on. It blends out to such a pretty pink. That was too much. That's cute. Now I'm gonna go in and do a shit ton of freckles with the freckle product. This product looks incredible on unset face makeup or no face makeup. It looks so good. Just gonna go in, throw on a bunch of dots, and then tap them in and around. I like to do multiple layers of this product and different variations of light freckles, dark freckles, different sizes. You can get them to look pretty legit with this product. I usually don't put a ton on my under eye area, but see if I can hide my under eye bags with freckles. A few on my eyelid. Just gonna put them everywhere today. And tap those ones out a little bit less to keep them a little bit darker. You can add a few really, really distinct little spots. I've always thought that lots of freckles on the nose was really, really, really cute. I think any type of freckles is really, really, really cute. The eye look is going to be tedious, annoying. Hopefully it looks cool. I got these single lashes from Red Cherry, cruelty-free, vegan, lightweight, comfortable. I'm just reading the back. I've got long, medium, and short. I think they're gonna look really weird, which is kind of what I'm going for. Wish me luck. I also got the brush on Red Cherry glue. I didn't know they had a glue. This is a cruelty-free lash glue. I'm really hoping it works out. Smells toxic. I'm gonna start with some mediums. I dipped it in the glue. It's cute. It's like DIY lash extensions that don't last more than one wear for people who have lots of time on their hands, like me. I'm gonna grab one of the short ones, maybe two. This is completely and utterly impractical for pretty much any occasion. I've got these going in every direction. Now I'm going into the long variety. I'm just trying these so that you don't have to. You're welcome. I have so much respect for lash technicians right now. This is not very fun. You keep twisting and turning, just like lash extensions do. But I'm not sure you can comb these. They might fall off. The more I add, the more the other ones are getting twisted. This is definitely not going to be a full set of lashes because I don't have all day. And I just realized I have to do the other eye and I'm a little bit upset. Kind of looks like I have bad lash extensions and really need a fill, and I don't think I'll do that again. Hopefully they don't all fall off when I put on mascara. Before I put on mascara, I'm going to powder my lids so they stop creasing so bad. I'm going to go in with my Milk Kush mascara. Let's see what happens. It looks really good, doesn't it? Which is kind of disappointing because I don't ever want to do that again. haven't lost any of the lashes in the mascara application. I think that says good things about the glue. I think I'm gonna go with none on the bottom because that's too much. Let's put on some face tattoos. I think I'm gonna start with this little cupid. I think he'll be cute right here. I'll do this pretty carefully. I don't want to completely destroy my makeup underneath, though I'm pretty sure we will be doing a few repairs, but that's okay. I'm also going to try putting powder over top of the tattoos, see if I can make them look legit. Just gonna hold this down for a minute. Cute! I like this little guy because he's not like really happy, he's only like a little bit happy, like normal happy. Oh, that one's not ready. I'm torn between keeping them all black or adding a colored tattoo. Obviously need a little script above the brow. It's definitely not what I would actually get tattooed above my brow, but the options are limited. They're all very inspiring. Yeah. It's actually really cute. Good luck. Go in with a little more freck. I'm also going to take some of my RCMA powder, just dab it over to take away that shine on the temporary tattoos. I'm going to put on a little bit of highlighter. This is the Milk Quad in Space Jam. I'm going to use these two. And I'm going to use the same Cushion Tint by McQueen on my lips. I'm going to set it with my Ciate Dewy Spritz. I think I'll wig out. I love this wig. This is the Momsen wig from Trendy Wigs. You can use my code JD40 for 40% off. I know, it's incredible. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I think that it will look really nice up close. Hopefully, we will see. And I had a lot of fun putting temporary tattoos on my face. Let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see next, and I will see you in the next video.